was all we could have given, or we could have done something better in some fields which we ourselves need to challenge ourselves. So, while thanking all of you, I want all of us to reflect and see whether we have been the best version of us, either work-wise or as a human being. In the coming year, I'm sure we all will do even better in every field. Let it be your personal life, let it be your official work. We should challenge ourselves to do better and better each day. That is why we have the blessings of a new year, when we can reflect and know what we can do better. We can, of course, congratulate, pat ourselves for all the good work we have done. But there are certain areas in which we need to work hard also, that we should acknowledge and progress forward. At this time, all I want to say